3 more accused individuals have been arrested, bringing the total number of arrests to 6 in connection with the attack on journalist Mrinal Kanti Debnath. According to sources from the AD Nagar Police Station, they were produced in court today with a request for a 5-day police remand. According to reports, Mrinal Kanti Debnath was returning home after work in an auto rickshaw when the vehicle broke down in Vardawali. While waiting for another ride, he noticed a fire nearby and saw fire service personnel arriving at the scene. When he began recording the incident on his mobile phone, a group of miscreants reportedly pounced on him, physically assaulting him and obstructing his professional duties. The incident has taken a serious turn, with allegations of police complicity. It is reported that the victim immediately attempted to call the officer in charge of AD Nagar Police Station, but the officer allegedly did not receive the call. On Wednesday, a high-level delegation including Pranab Sarkar President, Agartala Press Club Sarojit Pal, Secretary of Tripura Electronics Media Society, and Rajit Devarma, Secretary of Khorang Press Club, visited the AD Nagar Police Station to demand justice. That's how on Tuesday and Wednesday, the AD Nagar Police have apprehended 3 accused in connection to the case. However, the AD Nagar Police are investigating to identify the 3 accused. According to sources from the AD Nagar Police Station, they were produced in court today with a request for a 5-day police remand. Pure report, Chini Khorang.